What kind of food do you like? Talking about cooking, what type of food do you enjoy?
I'm a fan of various salads, fresh fish, red meat, and plenty of vegetables. Baked salmon, tuna salad, asparagus salad, roasted vegetables, and cabbage soup are some of my favorites.
Nice. I tend to prefer home-cooked dishes because they're both delicious and nutritious. And, to be honest, I appreciate home-cooked dishes because they're budget-friendly. I have a soft spot for pasta, pizza, hamburgers, and mashed potatoes.
That's great. To be honest, I enjoy a wide range of foods. As long as it's tasty, I'll eat it. I relish pizza, pasta, hamburgers, and fast food. I understand it may not be the healthiest, but sometimes I can't resist.
Wow! You certainly don't seem like someone who obsesses over fast food.
Thanks, but I didn't mean to imply that I don't pay attention to calories. Of course, I do. Besides, I love to visit a gym to keep my body fit. What cuisine do you like?
Well, you know my mother is Italian, and she's quite the cook. She always emphasizes that the secret to truly sumptuous food lies in simplicity and fresh ingredients. In my view, you can't beat Italian cuisine. The Italian food culture boasts a rich tradition, with distinct ingredients in all their dishes, such as tomatoes, eggplants, pasta, cured meats, and cheese. And let's not forget about those delectable Italian desserts.
Absolutely, Italian cuisine is both delicious and flavorful. I lived in Japan for 3 years, and I can tell you that I've never had food that's both more delicious and healthy. Japanese cuisine is abundant in ingredients like seafood, vegetables, and rice, making it low in saturated fats and high in nutrients. I'm amazed at how it brings out the natural flavors of the ingredients.
Well, I have a soft spot for local cuisine. Seriously, American cuisine is a fusion of various cultural influences. You can find dishes from around the world right here. I love the diversity and the wide range of flavors and dishes from across the globe. I'm particularly fond of fast food.
And you always keep an eye on your calorie intake?
Of course. We're discussing cuisines here. It doesn't mean I eat fast food every day. But yes, I do enjoy it. All right, if you want, we can talk about a healthy diet. How to talk about a healthy diet.
My understanding of a healthy diet involves avoiding highly processed foods and including more vegetables and fruits.
Have you heard of eating the rainbow?
What? We're talking about food.
I know, and eating the rainbow is related to it. Eating the rainbow is a healthy eating tip. It means incorporating fruits and vegetables of various colors into your daily meals. I try to follow this advice every day. Of course, I have cheat days when I indulge in some fast food. But my everyday diet is relatively healthy.
I see. Well, I'm not as committed to maintaining a healthy diet. I allow myself to indulge more often. But I do stay away from fast food.
Like Amanda, I also prefer healthy food over unhealthy options. Plus, it's quite easy to do. There's a wealth of information on the internet, and you can easily calculate the nutritional content. Almost every food product has its nutritional information listed on the packaging, including proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and calories, among other things.
I agree. You can also gain a better understanding of the nutritional value of ingredients when you cook for yourself. Do you cook? I enjoy cooking at home, partly because I'm not a fan of takeout. It's not the healthiest choice and tends to be more expensive. I cook every Saturday, and my specialty is tuna salad. My friends say it's delicious.
Yes, I cook at home as well. I'm really passionate about cooking. I'm constantly coming up with new dishes to prepare. My signature dish is lentil soup. It's a dish that's often considered bland, but I've got a recipe that really elevates the flavor.
Unfortunately, cooking is not my strong suit. I'd love to learn, but I don't have a knack for it.
What's your favorite dish?
By the way, what's your favorite dish? I'm a big fan of lasagna. It's incredibly flavorful, rich, and delicious.
I adore sushi. It's an incredibly delicious dish. I love the variety of ingredients. Each one has a unique flavor. It's amazing.
I have a real fondness for fried chicken. Crispy and seasoned, it's a delightful treat, especially when served with sides like mashed potatoes and gravy. It's simply delicious. Do you eat out? I'm guessing, Matthew, you enjoy dining out?
You're right. I like going to restaurants or cafeterias for lunch. I'm familiar with all the good cafeterias in the neighborhood. I'm a bit lazy when it comes to cooking for myself, and as I mentioned earlier, it's not my strong suit.
I usually don't dine out. Occasionally, I might order takeout if I'm swamped with work, but it's not a frequent occurrence.
Same here. I used to dine out for lunch, but I realized it was taking a toll on my budget and my waistline.
What don't you like to eat?
Plus, I had a particularly bad experience when I ordered roasted meat once. I prefer it to be cooked medium, but when it arrived, it was practically raw, red on the inside. It was tough and tasteless. I couldn't eat it, and it really put a damper on my day.
I've had similar experiences, like with a baked salmon. The salmon itself was fine, but the vegetables were mushy and flavorless, a big disappointment. However, the restaurant staff handled it gracefully and offered a different dish on the house, which turned out to be delicious.
Hopefully, I didn't have such experience. Fast food restaurant didn't disappoint me yet.